Hello everybody, today is just a quick and easy video on the trim function. Now what the trim function is going to do is it's going to get rid of all those extra spaces you have in there. So commonly if you have a format that came over as a CSV, you will often have a lot of extra spaces or things around the data that you're looking for, kind of coming out looking a lot like this. What trim will do is just trim it down to one space between words. So you can see that we'll just do trim, reference that cell that we have there, hit enter, and then it just makes it a nice clean sentence that we have there. So this is great if you have names or if you have addresses. Instead of having huge spaces in between that are going to look messy in a mail merge or in printing off on headers or something like that, this will actually enable you to just shrink it all down and make it more readable and more usable and what everybody is used to seeing. Hopefully that helps you guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to throw them in the comments below, and take care.